I'm Shannon Capps, an assistant professor in civil, architectural, and environmental engineering at Drexel University. My research group works on understanding how people impact air quality and climate, and we use simulations conducted on large computers to do this. We basically translate chemistry and physics that happen in the atmosphere into big math problems and then get computers to solve them quickly and efficiently. One of the new aspects of our field that we are very excited about working on is leveraging satellite observations of specific pollutants in the atmosphere to better understand how our models are right and how they can be improved. We can actually use these satellite observations of a specific pollutant called ammonia to constrain the amount of emissions that are coming from our large farming and confined animal feeding operations that happen in America and around the world. We use some pretty fancy mathematical techniques to make this happen, and those are the specific focus of the work that a postdoc would be hired through this grant to accomplish. Our goal is to improve our models in a way that would inform environmental decision makers who choose which emissions to reduce in order to protect human health and the environment. Using satellite observations to improve our estimates of emissions will be a key to allowing environmental decision makers to know which sources they need to constrain. I view leadership in the field of engineering as a service opportunity. I'm thrilled for the opportunity to lead and serve students in my research group, undergraduates, graduate students, men and women. The team has been making lots of progress, and I'm excited about how this grant would provide the first opportunity for a postdoc to join the group, as I've been part of development groups for computer models. Most of these are composed entirely of men, and so the opportunity to be a woman in those environments and even to bring along others who are currently students or even a postdoc into those conversations and development efforts would be continued through this grant. Thank you so much for listening to me share a little bit about how this would provide new chances to lead in engineering